The reason that the floor determines if this top piece is going to be level is because, let's say this side, the floor sinks a little bit, we'll say 1/4 of an inch. If I cut those pieces to the exact same length, then that means that this side is going to be higher by 1/4 of an inch, therefore making this out of level. So if I check the floor and cut those pieces to the correct height, then that will make this top piece perfect. So on the floor here, I'm going to put a 2-foot level right about in the middle. So it does look like it's out of level. So I'm going to try and get it to where it is level. I'm just going to use some cardboard because it's handy, and then I can take a measurement. And then if I measure this gap, 1/4 inch. So what that means is I can either add 1/4 inch to this piece over here, or I can subtract 1/4 inch from this piece right here. And since I don't want to go more than 1.5 inches bigger than the door, I'm going to take 1/4 inch off of this side. Now the two side pieces, square one end, and then this is going to be 78.5 plus 3/4. Remember, because you want the piece in between there to have something to nail to. So 78.5 plus 3/4, 79.25. Square this one off. Now this one's going to be 78.5 minus that 1/4 inch to make the top level. So that's 78.25. But then I want to add 3/4 of an inch for the top. 78.25, half, 3/4, 79. Now I'm going to take all my pieces and lay them down on a flat surface, or somewhat flat surface. My floor isn't exactly level, but I want to assemble these before I just put them in. And I'm going to line them up just like they would go in the closet. I'm going to put the ripped side of this board towards the inside of the closet, and that side is the piece that I cut shorter. Lay it out just like this. Put the best side towards what you're actually going to see, and then I can hold this tight to the top and nail them together. Just going to put 3 nails in it. Make sure this is nice and even, and it's nice and even at the top. Never shoot towards yourself like that. Now, before I go too much further, I just want to check this, put it into place, and make sure that everything fits, I didn't mess up, and that this is going to be level.